أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به يستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Plus climate smart February greetings from President of SAM's TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School Tesla powered and Saadah towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and SAM's AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus town in all countries of our world. All SAM's TQLMA Club directors, February 2024 target is to enroll 1,500 STEM graduates in 5,300 PGCs, $8,000 Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction, or enroll mothers in SAM's T12 Club as life members to send $10 million to Musk Foundation and get the foreign direct investment of $10 billion to build SAM's AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus town in their countries. So everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of 53 PGCs, $80 of SAM's TQLMA Club High Technology Companies, and own 5,300 PGCs to become life member of SAM's TQLMA Club and purchase gold, SAM's Tesla 353 bar, as well as SAM's Tesla 53 PGCs coin at LBMA minus 2%. And besides gold, all other products which are available in SAM's Club and all Tesla products are available to SAM's T12 Club members at members price. So welcome aboard. Join SAM's T12 Club and initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. Everyone can enroll in PGC's 253 PIMSAT Diploma in Climate Smart Business with Traction. It's a 6 months program. Everyone without any education can also join this program. Specifically, we welcome parents to join the program along with their child, so that 3 members from each family can join this program and learn from the top-notch professors of entrepreneurship. Tijaarat Raabehah, profitable business with traction strategies, and earn $8,000 in this 6 months to enroll in GEMBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction. So welcome aboard and pass on this message to everyone in all languages of our world so that everyone can enjoy inflation-free total quality. My brief background is I have acquired my bachelor's in chemical engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology, got master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started up Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted from Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA as proprietorship to re-engineer the cancer-causing milk supply chain of Karachi. 10 billion liters of milk is sold in Karachi, which causes cancer. And now we are ready to provide climate smart milk from 1,000 SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School Tesla powered El Saadah towers, which we are building in all university campuses, farms, and gold mines. And we have 353-acre site available in Dhabeji Wind Corridor, where all the livestock will be housed, and they will be fed with toxin-free feed to provide us with total quality milk and meat, which mothers will be cooking in our 724 restaurant to serve 8 billion residents with climate smart food. Our healthcare centers will be operated by healthcare professionals, and they will be linked with Safi Hospital Mumbai to provide affordable healthcare services to SAM's club members. In Karachi, we have collaboration with Life Health Center. So everyone, all SAM's club members can enjoy a gratis screening, health screening at Life Health Center in Shabirabad Block B on Tipu Sultan Road, and initiate this journey of healthy life and enjoy the healthy quality life in 2,000 square yards farmhouse, which we are offering along with the Isuzu truck for $110,000. And a similar farmhouse is also available in Dallas, Texas, and Bakersfield, California, with Tesla truck and permanent resident status for $153,000 US. So welcome aboard, and let's make 2023 a wonderful, peaceful year for 8 billion residents of our planet. सारे खुशनसीब ख़वातीन हजरात बच्चे जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में, मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा में, बैतुल मक़दिस में, करबला मुअल्ला में रहते हैं, लैलतुल मेराज में हमारे हक़ में ख़ास दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ उनको रिज़्क़ हलाल भी मुहैया करें, ये उम्मीद हमारी बहुत जल्द तमाम हो। वो खुशनसीब हुज्जाज किराम जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं, तो बाकी लोगों को $8,000 का कर्दन असला मुहैया कर दें और 100 शेयर्स ऑफ सैम्स TQLMA क्लब हाई टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी के मालिक बनकर 1000 दिनों के अंदर अपने फार्म हाउस और टेस्ला ट्रक के मालिक बने इन डैलस, टेक्सास एंड बेकर्सफील्ड, कैलिफोर्निया। हम अपने सैम्स गिल ऑफ लाइफ फार्म स्कूल टेस्ला पाउडर सादा टावर्स इन मुकद्दस मकामात पर भी बना रहे हैं, जहां पर आप अपने अपार्टमेंट के मालिक बन सकते हैं और हुज्जाज किराम की और ज़ुबात किराम की खिदमत का शरफ भी हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो बस ये पैगाम सब तक पहुँचाएँ और सब लोगों को $80 के साथ जो है हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। शुक्रान जज़ीला। My WhatsApp number is 92335377052. I'm also available on Telegram at 333-228-3257. A session like this can be scheduled to solve your personal, family, and business problems with the money back guarantee. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व बारिक वसल्लिम वरहम वतरहम कमा सल्लैता व सल्लमता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद व आखिरु दअवाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।